Natural remedies for better digestion. Have you ever contemplated the power of nature in alleviating digestive discomfort and promoting a healthier gut? Digestion is a fundamental process that impacts our overall well-being, and the use of natural remedies offers a holistic approach to address digestive issues. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. Natural Remedies for Better Digestion takes you on a journey into the world of alternative healing, unveiling the secrets of how you can achieve a smoother and more efficient digestive system without relying on pharmaceuticals. This exploration celebrates the transformative potential of natural remedies, leaving you curious about the wealth of natural options available for improving your digestive health. 1. The digestive dilemma. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the significance of digestion in maintaining health, emphasizing that a well-functioning digestive system is vital. 2. Natural remedies versus pharmaceuticals. Discover the fundamental differences between natural remedies and pharmaceuticals and how the former often provide gentler and holistic solutions to digestive issues. 3. The healing power of herbs. Explore the world of digestive herbs, such as ginger, peppermint, and fennel, and how they can soothe various digestive discomforts like indigestion and bloating. 4. Probiotics and gut health. Learn about the importance of probiotics and how they contribute to a balanced gut microbiome, promoting healthy digestion and overall well-being. 5. Dietary choices and digestion. Understand how dietary changes, such as increasing fiber intake and avoiding trigger foods, can greatly impact digestion and prevent issues like constipation and heartburn. 6. Stress management and the gut. Discover the profound connection between stress and digestion, and how relaxation techniques like yoga and meditation can improve gut health. 7. Hydration and digestion. Uncover the link between proper hydration and smooth digestion, emphasizing how water aids in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. 8. The journey to digestive wellness. In conclusion, Natural Remedies for Better Digestion is a testament to the fact that maintaining a healthy digestive system isn't just about popping pills, it's about recognizing the transformative power of natural remedies in providing holistic and gentle solutions to digestive issues. It's not just about temporary relief, it's about the journey to achieving lasting digestive wellness through nature's gifts. As we embark on this journey into the world of natural remedies for better digestion, you'll discover the transformative potential of natural remedies in supporting your digestive health and overall well-being. It's a journey of embracing the significance of herbs, probiotics, dietary choices, stress management, and hydration in achieving a harmonious and healthy gut, leaving you with a sense of fulfillment and vitality. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.